Tunisia, a land where the Mediterranean laps at ancient shores, a place where history whispers from crumbling ruins. Long before the resorts and the beaches, this was the land of Carthage, a mighty empire that challenged Rome itself. Imagine warriors, chariots, and the clash of swords. Carthage, a trading powerhouse, controlled the seas. Its legacy? A reminder that even the greatest empires can crumble. But their stories remain etched in stone and whispered by the wind. Walk through the ruins today, feel the weight of history underfoot. The past isn't dead here, it's buried, waiting to be unearthed. Rome eventually defeated Carthage, absorbing Tunisia into its vast empire. Roman influence is everywhere, from the Colosseum of El Jem to the aqueducts that still snake across the countryside. But Rome's grip loosened. Enter the Arabs in the 7th century, bringing with them a new faith, Islam. They conquered, yes, but they also blended their culture with the existing Berber and Roman traditions. Mosques rose alongside ancient temples. A new chapter began. The Arab influence ran deep, shaping language, religion, and culture. It's in the call to prayer echoing from minarets, the scent of mint tea, and the vibrant souks bursting with spices. Centuries passed. Dynasties rose and fell. Then came the French. Colonial rule left its mark on Tunisia, for better or worse. The French modernized infrastructure and brought their language, but they also exploited resources and suppressed local culture. Finally, in 1956, Tunisia won its hard-fought independence. Habib Bourguiba, a charismatic leader, emerged, determined to modernize the nation while preserving its identity. The road to progress was never easy. Tunisia faced challenges, economic struggles, and the growing pains of a young nation. But through it all, the spirit of the Tunisian people remained unbroken. Treasures of time, unveiling Tunisia's cultural heritage. Tunisia is a tapestry woven from the threads of its past. Nowhere is this more evident than in its cultural treasures. The Bardo Museum, housed in a former palace, is a treasure trove of Roman mosaics, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. The Great Mosque of Kairouan, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture, stands as a testament to the country's spiritual heritage. Its soaring minaret and serene courtyard inspire awe and contemplation. From the ancient ruins of Douga to the medinas of Tunis and Souks, history whispers from every corner. Each stone tells a story, each archway a portal to the past. The rhythm of life, music, dance, and festive spirits. Music and dance are woven into the fabric of Tunisian life. Traditional music, with its haunting melodies and rhythmic beats, reflects the country's diverse heritage. From the soulful strains of the oud to the lively rhythms of the darbuka drum, music is the heartbeat of Tunisia. Festivals, vibrant and joyous, punctuate the year. The International Festival of Carthage, held amidst the ancient ruins, celebrates music, theatre, and dance from around the world. The Sahara Festival, a spectacle of colour and tradition, showcases the nomadic